Trust.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other
Day 9 or 10 of Vlogmas, you guys. Good morning. Just got to work and I'm working a cart this morning, so I'm just getting ready to disinfect it. I got my water and my coffee. Okay guys, so we ordered lunch today and this is what I got. We ordered from Piata Street Food Kitchen. It's really good. I usually get wraps, but this is my first time trying their pasta. I got the cheese filled with Alfredo and chicken, veggies, little cheese, and pancetta. So I think that's gonna be good. It's my first time trying their pasta, but the wraps are so good. If you haven't tried them and they have a Piata Street Kitchen in your house, in your city, try it. And then I just filled up my water. I was like down to here, which is really good. But I've been to the bathroom all day, so we'll see how much more I can drink before 3 o'clock. Hey guys, so I'm home from work now. It's like a little bit after 6 o'clock. I just got done cleaning up, doing dishes and all that stuff. I'm about to take a shower and everything. And I'm actually gonna deep condition my hair. You guys know I don't know if I told you guys this actually, but I went like almost the entire year this year without doing any heat because I was putting a lot of heat on my hair, and I've been doing a lot of protective styles because my hair was just really thinning out and it's been really growing back. So I've been just trying to really change my habits and do better with taking care of it. And one thing that I do that I need to stop doing is this slick back ponytail, you guys. But I just really fell out of like love with styling my natural hair, like actually doing different styles on my hair. So I want to try some stuff. So I picked up some products from Dollar General. I really don't know how much I like them, but they're the Bella Curls line. So I got the coconut whipped leave-in conditioner, and then I also got the Bella Curls Jamaican black castor oil hair butter. They both smell really nice actually, and my hair seems to like them, but I don't know if they're the most moisturizing for my hair. So I'm gonna I got this Myleah Organics deep conditioning pack the other day at the beauty supply store. So I'm actually gonna do that in my hair. I'm about to get in the shower, do a little bit of self-care, and yeah, this is the pack that I got. It's the Myleah Organics Basu and Mint Deep Conditioner, and it's a protein and moisture replenisher. So I've never tried this before, but I've heard really good things about it, and they had it in Dollar General for like I think $1.75. So I decided to pick it up, and yeah, so I'm just pretty much about to get in the shower. Babe's at work late tonight, so I just need to edit this video because I did not vlog you guys yesterday. I just had a busy day, and then we didn't do anything last night, and I literally just did not vlog. So I'm literally going to be posting this vlog tonight for you guys so that you guys can have a video for today. And yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much wrap it up talking about weight loss and pretty much how I lost as much weight as I did, because I feel like this is the perfect time to do so. And I'm not going to probably sit down and be able to have time to do a content video because it's hard, you guys, doing Vlogmas and working a full-time job. You don't think it's hard, but it is. So I'm just trying to come up with different ideas, showing you guys what we're doing, and you guys like to see what I do at work and stuff like that. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna film a full day in the life video of a nurse office assistant and really break down to you guys like what I do and kind of how things go the mornings that I'm really trying to like be super duper productive. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and film that for you guys tomorrow, and that'll be like tomorrow's video. I don't know, you guys, I'm just trying to switch it up and keep it fun. And I'm also trying to like get myself back disciplined and kind of get myself back on a routine, a schedule, because I've been a little bit too lax. And yeah, you guys, I literally have lost, it's crazy to me, I've lost literally, my heaviest weight was 240 pounds, you guys. I'm going to insert a picture because I know you guys probably can't even believe it. And literally I got a memory today of from 4 years ago on Snapchat, and I just had so much extra weight on my body, and it's like kind of unbelievable. I kind of look like a different person, but at that time I was not happy with my weight, but I didn't think I was that overweight until I seen and visualized myself this small. I never thought I was going to get down to the weight that I got. So you guys, I literally, like I said, my heaviest weight was 242. That was my starting weight, and I ended up losing a total of 80 pounds. I got down to I fluctuated from 162 to 165 for a really long time, and I stayed at 165 pretty much and plateaued. Literally, you guys, I lost a lot of weight, like over 70 pounds, and I just couldn't even believe it because my goal weight when I first started my journey was 170, and I'm actually 170 now because during quarantine and everything I have gained 5 pounds. So that's why I keep saying I'm kind of trying to get myself back on track. But because I lost so much weight, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was really proud of myself, and I still am really proud of myself. So gaining 5 pounds back, to me, after losing so much, I really didn't feel like bad, you know. Like, I do feel bad because I'm starting to feel like not as healthy, not as good as I used to feel, and I just want to get back in the habits because that makes me feel good, and I enjoy living that lifestyle and how it made me feel. I want to continue to just stay fit and really tone my body now because that's really where I'm at now. I've honestly lost more weight than I thought I was going to and attain to. I never thought I would lose this much weight, especially because I wasn't working out and I really wasn't interested in doing a lot of cardio. And it's like when I was doing my research, those were all of the videos I found. People were saying that they were in the gym every day, and every time that I started and tried losing weight and I made myself go to the gym 4, 5, 6 times a week, I dreaded it. I would stick to it for a week or two and I would give up, or I would always just defeat myself. And that's why I say the biggest thing is one, mindset, because yes, you are going to have to be hard on yourself, but two, you really have to make it more of a lifestyle change than something that you're forcing yourself to do. It needs to be something you really want to do and you're ready to do and you're committed to doing. Make small goals, do things that are attainable, and do what works for you, because everything is not going to work for everybody. And that's just what it is. And that's what I had to do. I had to do trial and error. Going to the gym didn't work for me. Going on diets didn't work for me. So I had to learn, like, okay, you know what? Meal prep works for me because, for one, I'm kind of lazy when it comes to food. And sometimes I want to eat, or I'm convenient. I'm a convenience eater, or sometimes, like, I want to indulge in food. You guys, mindset is everything, and coming up with the plan and finding out what works for you. Working out didn't work for me. That is not how I lost my weight. And all this time that I lost on my weight, I strictly did it from how I was eating, you guys. And I know it seems crazy and it sounds ridiculous, but that's really true. And also, you also see the fastest results by changing how you eat. in the first month, I do suggest like kind of being a little bit hard and dramatic on yourself. But I also suggest that you find things that you like. So like the first month, you guys, I lost like 10 pounds within my first 2 weeks of the first month, literally just by cutting down my bread. I think I did just cutting down my bread. I didn't do no bread, but I cut it down. I did no pop. I only drank water. I limited my sweets. I didn't do lots of pasta and all stuff like that. Didn't do that. I did brown rice. I still, ate chicken and shrimp. I really liked that. I did ground beef, ground turkey scrambles with peppers and onions. I really liked that. I liked to do broccoli with my shrimp. I did sweet potato, baked chicken, and broccoli. Those were really simple meals that I could eat on a daily. I really liked salads, stuff like that. But just experiment. Find you in the beginning 2 to 3 things. This is what I did, you guys. I found me 2 to 3 things that I could rotate, 2 to 3 meals that I genuinely liked. And sometimes you'll make something and you don't like it or you don't want it. And, that's okay, you guys. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to have days where you're going to sacrifice or learn how to, balance everything out. That's just what it is. Making better lifestyle changes. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So find you 2 to 3 meal items that you like and eat, for each meal. So like for breakfast, do like yogurt and a boiled egg, or if you like avocado toast or something that you like that's healthy, that's a good option, that's whatever. Figure out what it is that you like. If intermittent fasting helps, try that. If you think low carb is going to help, try that. If you think Weight Watchers is going to help, try that. Research, experiment, and have fun. Be open-minded and don't be hard on yourself, because that's when it's not fun, and that's when it becomes like a diet and so strict that once you feel like you fail, you want to give up, and you don't. It makes you feel just genuinely better. Have fun with it. And my journey's nowhere near over, but I'm really proud of myself. I've came really far. I never thought I would be on this end of the camera telling you guys that I lost 80 pounds, and I feel a lot better. I feel a lot healthier. Really proud of where I came from, and I just feel like if I can do it, you guys, anybody can do it. You can definitely do it. So I'm going to continue to share with you guys in these vlogs, me kind of resetting my meal ideas, what I eat, how I eat, what I like, because I'm going to be trying new recipes. I found a lot of really good recipes. I've kind of been looking stuff up because I've been kind of bored with what we've been eating. So I'm excited to share all of that stuff with you guys. My lips are so dry, it's bothering me that I just sat here and talked all that time. But I never feel like I'm going to get around to filming my weight loss video. So I'm glad I was just able to kind of let you guys know a check-in. That's what I did, you guys. That's how much weight I've lost. And that's where I'm at with my journey, is I'm kind of resetting and ready to do something a little bit different, because I want to see some different results. So, and also, you guys, if something doesn't work for you, just change it up. So anyways, I am about to take my shower and deep condition my hair. So I'll see you guys when I get out, and probably show you guys what I end up doing, if I end up doing like a twist out or whatever I end up doing. So I'll show you guys when I get back. Y'all, I am so obsessed with our tree, but we got a tree topper. I don't think I showed you guys that, since we got that beautiful tree topper from Dollar General. Don't sleep on Dollar General, seriously. But y'all, our first gift is under the tree, and it's for me. I wonder what it could be. So I'm gonna be a good girl and wait my turn, because Lord knows I want to see what my babe got me. But we're gonna just leave that there. Anyways, you guys, I'm done with my shower and everything, so I'm getting ready to just edit this video so I can go ahead and post it and be all done, and wait for babe to get home so we can just relax and enjoy the rest of our night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a full day in the life morning routine, show you guys what I'm doing at work tomorrow and what I really do. Like, what do I actually do as a nurse, office nurse assistant now? Like, what do I do? So I'm going to show you guys that tomorrow. So I'm excited. We're going to get up early, as always. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it to the end of the video, you're a real one. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.